Welcome to the Great Granola Show. I'm Julia.
I'm Ryan.
I'm Farrell, and today we're going to be making no-bake Cookie Monster granola bites.
So these are obviously no-bake, which means they're very quick to do. You know, you don't need an oven or anything. You can do them pretty much anywhere as long as you have all the ingredients.
So let's get started. The first thing you need is some oats, and you need 1 1/4 cup of them.
Yeah, so the oats are sort of going to provide the texture and everything. They're going to give a bit of solidness instead of like dough, which, you know, we're not using because it's no-bake. And then the next is going to be the peanut butter, and we're going to use 1/4 cup of that, and then sort of just use like a spoon to get it in there, and then sort of get it in the bowl, and then this will help hold everything together, you know, hold the dry ingredients and everything. Next is 1/3 cup of M&Ms, so you can just sort of throw them in there, and they're going to give that nice chocolate flavor, which is going to contrast with the peanut butter.
The last thing you need is 1/4 cup of honey.
Yeah, and the honey is sort of thick. You want to just get it in there.
Make sure you get it all out.
Yeah, sort of like nature's glue, if you will. It'll hold everything together along with the peanut butter. Add enough to sort of mix with the oats and everything so that you don't want to have too little and then it's too much oats. And then now that we have everything, we're going to mix it all together. And you want to make sure that the less dry ingredients like the peanut butter and the honey are sort of mixing with the M&Ms and the oats. That way everything sticks together as opposed to having just the separate ingredients everywhere.
And if your spoon's not working too well, you can use your hands.
You can see there's a lot of oats sort of floating around, so you want to make sure that those come together and form with the peanut butter, the honey, and the M&Ms, and then you'll have your balls. Make sure you get everything in there. It's gonna take a little bit because, you know, the oats have to stick to the peanut butter and the honey and everything. You can sort of get a bowl or paper to sort of put them on, roll them into balls. You wanna do about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Make sure you get all the ingredients in there. And then just mix them together like so. And this will be your end result, like so. And
Let's give them a taste. Julia.
so how are they? They look very good. I can only imagine how they taste.
Delicious. Very good.
Very good. The M&Ms add the chocolate flavor, the peanut butter. You know, everybody loves chocolate and peanut butter. Your sort of classic duo. The oats add the solidness, honey a little bit of sweetness. Very good.
10 out of 10.
All right, so for the Great Granola Show, I'm Ryan.
I'm Julia.
And I'm Farrell.
And this is the No Bake Monster Cookie Granola Bites. Thank you for watching.